Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete everything on TradingView. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the TradingView app on your PC, and now right after that, once you open it, you'll be able to see the interface of the TradingView apps on the screen. And now you can see the chart of the BTC USDT in here. So let's say I want to delete so let me first go to the indicators, and let me add few of the indicators in here. Okay. So okay, now you can see I have added the indicator in here, and let me add some of the trend line as well. So okay. Okay, so you can see I have drew a trend line in here, and also there is a indicators in here. So if you want to delete everything on TradingView, then you can see there is a delete icon at the left side of this chart. So you simply need to tap on this one, and you can see there is like 3 options: remove 6 drawings, remove 2 indicators, or you can also remove entire. So you can see remove 6 drawings and 2 indicators. So you need to click on this third one, and yeah, you'll be able to delete everything on TradingView app successfully. So basically this is how you can delete everything on TradingView on PC. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, please leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that we can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.